English Writing Listening Classes, class number 3. In this class, we will look at an essay parts review. We will look at how to put the essay parts into an easy-to-see outline, and we will look at how to choose a topic for your final essay. Now, as we practiced in class 2, we know that there are many different parts, like topic sentence, or body paragraph, or introduction paragraph, and concluding sentence. These parts all exist in certain locations within the essay. It is very important to understand the locations of these parts in the essay. Thinking about levels in the essay, for example, paragraph level and sentence level, might help understand where these parts exist. As an example of this, let's think about Kyoto University and the different levels in which it exists. As you can see on the screen, Kyoto University exists within Sakyo-ku, Sakyo Ward. Sakyo Ward exists within Kyoto City, Kyoto-shi. And Kyoto-shi exists within Kyoto Prefecture, otherwise known as Kyoto-fu. Here we can see the layers and how they are marked differently for where Kyoto University exists. Let's have another example. Here we can see the English Writing Listening classes, which exist as part of your language credits. The language credits exist as part of the requirements from your department. And each department, for example, economics, engineering, medicine, is part of Kyoto University at the highest level. So, thinking about the layers that an academic has, we need to put the essay parts in their correct place. If you do not remember the essay parts that we practiced last week, please use the QR codes on the right side of the video to link to 2 Quizlet practice sets, essay parts and essay parts location. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. Now, these essay parts need to be put into an outline. An outline is an important plan for your essay. The outline needs to include the required parts in the correct order or structure. A plan is very important because an essay is a very long piece of writing, and I expect that you are not very confident or skilled about writing an essay, because it is something very new to you. So, here we can see there are 3 main sections: the introduction paragraph, the body paragraphs, and the conclusion paragraph. In the introduction paragraph, there are 2 main parts: the hook or general statements and the thesis statement. In the body paragraphs, each body paragraph has a topic sentence, represented here by capital letters. Under each topic sentence, there are maybe 2 or 3 supporting sentences, represented here by normal numbers. And under each supporting sentence, there are 2 or 3 details, represented here by small letters. At the end of each body paragraph, there is a concluding sentence. Finally, the last section, which is the last paragraph, is the conclusion paragraph. This conclusion paragraph summarizes the main points and gives a final statement of opinion. This outline will be very important to help you write your academic essay. So please make an outline structure similar to this structure. Choosing a topic is also very important. When choosing a topic, you need to have a topic which is not too wide or too narrow. It needs to be an important issue to you and to society to keep you motivated and interested in writing the essay. It needs to be something that you know about. If you know about something, it is easier to find out about what you don't know about it. It needs to be an issue with available data and articles. Because we need to use citations and we need to use the data to support our ideas, we need to have different articles and different pieces of information from different sources. And finally, your topic needs to have a purpose, such as an opinion, a comparison, or maybe a problem solution. Using these purposes, you can write about each topic in a different way. If you need to, feel free to pause the video and use the QR link to go to a planning template. When choosing and researching a topic, remember there are many news sources and research sources in 2017. We are very lucky to live in the online internet age. So, think about topics in your major, for example, technical or scientific or medical or literary research. Think about topics in the news, for example, in newspapers or on TV. These topics are usually very important for society. Finally, think about researching in the Kyoto University Library or on the internet on your smartphone. Maybe there is an interesting topic on there that you would like to write about. When you've chosen your topic, try to write a blank outline using the structure reviewed in this class. Two very important points to think about. Make sure this outline has the correct structure. Also, try to think where you will use data and examples. Well done. So the homework for next week is also very easy. We need to practice Unit 3 for the listening, because the first listening test will cover Units 1 to 3. Continue to organize your plans and paragraphs and try to think of a topic and start writing your outline. Thank you for listening and see you next time.